Welcome to LT Outdoors,
Well, folks, there
the
you
channel
have
with everything the outdoor world has to offer.
God. Oh, man.
Sun is coming up, fiber's going down. Fish are all biting and jumping all around. Let's hook up the boat, come on, let's go. It's time for LT Outdoors. I'm talking
That might even be
LT
bigger than
Outdoors.
Las Vegas. Oh.
Might go hunting, fishing, metal detecting. Might even do a little fortune too. I'm talking LT Outdoors.
Yeah, baby.
I hope you enjoy the show.
Oh, yeah, baby. That right there is what I want. He came.
Special shout out to all my patrons out there. If you want to become a patron, you can go to patreon.com and look up LT Outdoors. Also, thank you to anybody who donates to this channel. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of LT Outdoors. In this video, it's actually a continuation of the previous video, if you haven't already watched that one. But me and Rich head out to a different lake in this one. We spent the entire day fishing, so I got a video out of the first part of the day, and then this part of the day we go out and we attack some pike and big old slab crappies. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think.
I just put this down. This tip up's only been there for 2 minutes. Oh, that's a nice fish. Oh,
There's it right there.
yeah, it was a big bass.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a beautiful gill.
Yeah, this.
Good color. Nice, man. Another crappie. Oh yeah. Jeez. Beautiful too. Man. Oh, that thing smoked it. Oh my God, dude.
That's a toad.
Oh.
Oh.
Nice. Ooh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a big crappie. Beautiful. Oh yeah, that's a slab. They don't hesitate either. Another good one. Probably is, yeah. Yeah, let me go take a look at it. Come on. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Yep, 12. Nice fish, man. Oh, yeah, that's a big one. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, that's it. Everything at 12 again, maybe 12 and a half. Ooh, there's another big one. absolute slabs. Another probably 12. Should have came here, man. These are dinners here.
It's funny, this place, I've come down here before with Nick and I came down here one time. We fished for 4 hours and never got it.
Wow, that's a good fish. Ooh. Yeah, these are freaking awesome fish, man. This is a heavy fish. I was over here trying to move that and this one went off. Oh, it's a pike. Decent too. Yeah. Right, just perfect.
Yeah.
Jumbo slammer.
They work. Nice.
That's probably a keeper. Oh, that only goes to 18. Oh yeah, almost 20. Yeah, 26.
Oh, yeah, we're good.
Oh no, 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 no. No, no, no. I'm all tangled again. On a big fish too. That's a big one. Yeah, that's probably my biggest.
Yeah, that's another 12, so I gotta put it in.
Yeah, that's gonna go in the tournament. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. Came right off in the hole. Yeah. Heard the bell that time. Yeah, this is fighting like a big bass. Oh no, that's a big pike. That's a bigger pike. I just seen him. He didn't like getting to the hole. Beautiful, man.
Yeah, they're big in there. Easy killer.
Simmer down.
Yeah, simmer down with that one.
Yep. Almost 31. Come up pretty fast. Ooh. Yeah, he's got to be crappie. Yep.
Oh yeah, crappie.
Good.
Man, he wasn't.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh, he got turned around in the hole too. Almost 12. Did you? Oh. Another good fish. Whoa. Oh yeah, it's a big one. Another big one. Yeah. Look at that. Oh. People that were out there, I went in my own little area. They all piled around me, man. Oh, big crappie. Come on, open that mouth, buddy. Oh. I got one too. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
And now guess what? They're all gone.
That's probably a 12. I bet that'd be a good way though. Oh, I got a flag. There she goes.
Really good.
Yeah, it is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Another heavy fish. We can go whenever you want to. It's getting. I hate leaving Gem in the cage. That's why I think I'm gonna bring her tomorrow. That way I ain't gotta worry. Just be hole hopping. She can run around and. Pike. Still probably illegal, yeah. Cool, man.
You don't want to go back?
Guess I'll eat you.
Want to know where you can get your LT Outdoors ice fishing tackle? Check out these tackle shops and make sure you see what they got in stock. Don't miss out on the whole line of LT Outdoors ice fishing lures. Increase your ice fishing experience. Also, check out the Panty Pounder. Email me for more info. This season of LT Outdoors is brought to you by Bass Brothers Lures and Baits. All their lures and baits get the job done. Wellman's Bait and Tackle in Oscoda, Michigan. By the bridge in Oscoda, they carry a nice line of LT merch. Mountable Memories Taxidermy. Mounts that'll last a lifetime.
My name is Dean Winchester. I'm an Aquarius. I enjoy sunsets, long walks on the beach, and frisky women.